Hello dear students, we solve some other problems of integration by substitutions. The next one is sin x into sine of cos x. Sin x into sine of cos x. So what is the substitution we can make here? We have to see when we make a substitution, we have to see that the derivative of the get function should be exist in that. So first I'll take it as integral value, integral of. Then what we can make is substitution. So here cos x is equal to, we know that cos x derivative sin x and sin x derivative is cos x. But if you take sin x as a t, so we cannot write cos x as cos x. We cannot cancel if we get cos x because it is an angle. So sine of angle we cannot cancel. That's why what is the substitution we can make here? Take cos x is equal to t. Take cos x is equal to t. So first I'll consider integral of sine x into sine of cos x dx. Cos x dx. After that, make a substitution. Let cos x is equal to t. Take cos x is equal to t. After that, find the derivative of this function with respect to t. We have to find out. So cos x, what is the derivative of cos x? Cos x derivative is a minus sin x dx by dt equal to 1. Finding the derivative with respect to t. So we want only dx. So dx is equal to dt divided by minus sin x. Dt divided by minus sin x. So I'll make a substitution here in the given integral. So integral becomes integral of sin x as it is sin x into sine of t. We have taken cos x as t, so sin t into dx. Dx is a dt by minus sin x. So sin x and sin x can be cancelled. We get integral of minus sin t dt. But sin t dt, what is the integral of sin t dt? Sin t is a minus cos t. So sin t is a minus cos t. So what we get? Minus cos t plus c. Minus of minus cos t plus c. Don't add plus c now, add plus c in the next step, later step. So minus of minus cos t. So this will be cos t. But what is t? T is cos x. So we get here it is cos of cos x plus c. Resubstitute t as cos x. So cos of cos x plus c. So this is the answer for the given question. Sin x into sin x cos x. So here you can see if I substitute sin x as a t, so we cannot cancel that terms because cos is angle. We cannot cancel. That's why we have to make a substitution cos x as a t. Next one. These kind of questions will be asked for how many marks? You know, that is for 2 marks questions. Simple one means that will be asked for 1 marks, and this will be asked for 2 marks. Next, root of ax plus b. Root of ax plus b. So what is the substitution we can make here? We cannot make a substitution here ax plus b as a t, because if we take x b as a t, then what is that? Dx is a plus b into d something. So here directly we can find out without making any substitution. So all the problems it is told one problem is solved in one time. So here if you make ax plus b as a t, what we get? Root t into dx can be written as a can be written as a, so that we can make out we'll make a substitution. We'll see. Integral of root of ax plus b dx. So here I'll take let is equal to t. I'll take ax plus b as t. Now find out the derivative with respect to t. So here b derivative will be 0. Ax plus x derivative will be a into d by dt equal to 1. So dx is equal to dt by a. Therefore I'll resubstitute integral of root t into dx as a dt by a. So this will be equal to root t. What is the integral of root t? That means t to the power half. Integral of 1 by a, I can write outside 1 by a into t to the power half dt, t to the power half dt. We don't have root t directly, so t to the power half dt, t to the power n form, x to the power n form, x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this will be equal to 1 by a into t to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1, t to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. So this will be equal to 1 by a into integral of t to the power half plus 1, t to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So I can take 3 by 2 to numerator, so that becomes 2 by a, 2 by 3a into t to the power 3 by 2, t by 2. But what is t? T is ax plus b. 2 by 3a into x plus b to the power 3 by 2 plus to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer for that question. So you can make a substitution, or directly also you can find out by taking x plus b to the power 3 to the power half that also we can find out. Next one. Next problem. X into root of 1 plus 2x square. X into root of 1 plus 2x square. So now we have to find out the integral value by taking by substituting. So what is the integral value? So we can make a substitution. So what is the substitution we can make here? We know that x we cannot take t. So what is the use if I take x as a t? Root 1 plus 2t square. So no use. Or if I take 1 plus 2t square as a t, 2x square as a t. So we can find out the derivative. We will get 4x. So at least x can be cancelled. 4 anyhow it is a constant we can keep aside. So make a substitution. 1 plus 2x square is equal to t. Let 1 plus 2x square is equal to t. Find the derivative with respect to t. We get 1 is a 0. So 2 is a constant. 2 into 2x is a 4x. (4x) into dx by dt is equal to 1. Therefore dx is equal to dt by 4x. dt by 4x. Now we can make a substitution here. Integral of x root t into dx. dx is a dt by 4x. So at least x can be cancelled. So we can write 1 by 4 outside. Integral of t to the power half again. Root t we are getting. So I'll write t to the power half. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 into t to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Already we have calculated to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1, 3 by 2. So again 2 goes to here. This will be 2, or we can cancel there. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Two ones are we can cancel. So we get here it is it will be 1 by 6 into t to the power 3 by 2. This will be 1 by 6 into t what we have taken 1 plus 2x square to the power 3 by 2 plus. So at last you make a substitution or at last you write what is the constant c plus c. So this is a one more problem of same kind. All these problems are for substitution itself. So when you see here in this I'm discussing about substitution, so we have to make a substitution. But in the exam what is that there will be questions, only questions will be asked and they won't mention. So what is that you have to substitute, or either you have to substitute or you have to use other method, because there are many other methods also, not only one or two methods. So here you should be very careful while calculating. So which is the substitution we have to make, that you should be very careful. Next one, tan to the power 4x, tan to the power 4 root x secant square root x divided by secant square root x divided by root x. So here in this problem we have to make a substitution. We have root x as well as we have secant and tan functions. Root x as well as secant and tan function. So what is the substitution we can make here? Either we can make root x as a t. So if I take root x as a t, then what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So root x can be cancelled. So if I make substitution root x only, then here tan t into secant square t. Tan t into secant square t. So we cannot do anything. So what we have to do is we have to make substitution for tan root x also. We have to make substitution for tan root x. So if I make a substitution for tan root x, what is the derivative of tan? What is the derivative of tan function? That is secant square root x, correct? Secant square root x. Therefore, what we have to do? We have to make a substitution for a tan root x. integral of tan power 4 root x secant square root x divided by root x into dx. So make a substitution for tan root x. Let tan root x is equal to t. So what is the derivative of tan root x with respect to t? We have to find out. Tan root x derivative will be secant square root x into, again we have to find out 1 by root x derivative, 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x into, first tan derived secant square root x into root x derived 1 by 2 root x into, with respect to t we are finding means dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 1. Now we have to write dx is equal to, dx is equal to, so how we can write dx is equal to, dx is equal to 2 root x dt divided by secant square root x. Dx is equal to 2 root x dt by secant square dx. Now make a substitution. Integral of tan is we have taken it as a t, tan root x we have taken t, that will be t to the power 4 into secant square root x as it is, I'll write divided by root x also as it is into, we have to substitute for a dx now. So what is dx? 2 root x dt divided by secant square root x. Secant square root x. So I substituted for a dx now. Now we can cancel secant square root x and root x can be cancelled. So what is the remaining one? 2 is a constant. I'll take outside 2 into integral of t to the power 4 dt. 2 into integral of t to the power 4. So t to the power 4 integral value will be t power x power n, x power n plus 1 divided n plus 1. Therefore it will be 2 into t to the power 5 by 5. So this will be 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into t is what we tan root x to the power 5. Tan root x to the power 5, or we can write tan to the power 5 root x. Plus c. So here not only root x, we have taken tan root x as a t, because to get it is simplest form. So now you can make out, now the problem is very bigger problem. So we have converted a very small problem by making a substitution. We have got only this much, 2 into integral of t to the power 4. So very simple one. Otherwise it is a very complicated problem. So this is the method of substitution. So we have many other problems to complete. We'll solve one by one. So I'll solve some of the problems of examples as well as exercise. So remaining you have to solve yourself, remaining problems. Next one I'll take. Next is 1 by x into root x. 1 by x into root x. 1 by x minus root x. 1 by x minus root x. So what is the substitution, or what we can do here? Here what we have to do is, first we have to take, because I cannot take x as t, or I cannot take root x as t. So if I take x as t, what is the use? T minus root t, no problem. Or if I take root x as a t, so root x is equal to t, so x will be what is the use of that? So I have to simplify this first by taking root x common in the denominator. I'll take root x common in the denominator. I'll take root x common in the denominator. So if I take root x, now it is x. X can be written as root x into root x. Root x into root x is x. So 1 root x if I take outside, what will be remaining? The remaining will be root x, 1 more root x. So 1 by root x into root x minus 1. Root x into root x minus 1. So after that, what is the substitution? We know that root x derivative will be 1 by 2 root x. So if I take root x as a t, so here root x into root x minus 1. So instead of that, I'll take 1 by, or I'll take root x minus 1 as t, because if I take the derivative is 1 by 2 root x, so that root x can be cancelled. So let root x minus 1 as t. If I take root x minus 1 as a t, then the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x into dx by dt, that is equal to 1. Therefore we have to write dx is equal to dt into 2 root x, dt into 2 root x. Make a substitution. Integral of 1 by root x into t, root x into t into dx. Dx is dt into 2 root x. dt into 2 root x. I can cancel root x. So we are getting 2 into integral of dt by t. That means integral of 1 by t. Integral of 1 by t is log 2 into log mod t, 2 into log mod t. So this will be equal to t, we have taken root x minus 1, so this will be equal to 2 into log mod root x minus 1, 2 into log of mod root x minus 1 plus minus 1 plus c. Next one. Next problem. X by root x plus 4. X by root x plus 4. So what is the substitution we can make? We can take x plus 4 as t, derivative will be dx equal to dt, no use. So if I take x as t also, no use. So we have to simplify this problem. So I'll take x as, I'll add and subtract in the numerator. I'll add and subtract 4 in the numerator. So that becomes x plus 4 minus 4. So then I'll split and I'll make 2 integrals. I'll make 2 integrals. Integral of x by root x plus 4 dx. Directly we cannot do anything, we cannot simplify, we cannot make substitution also. Therefore I'll write numerator as x plus 4 minus 4. x plus 4 minus 4 divided by root of x plus 4 dx. So now what we can do, we can split x plus 4 and root x plus 4 minus 4 by root x plus 4 minus 4 by root x plus 4 we can make out. Four into integral of dx. So here what we have to do, we can make a substitution as a t. We can make x plus 4 as a t. So if I take a t by root t by root t can be t to the power 1 into t to the power half minus half t to the power half. So, or directly we can take x plus 4 as one function and we can simplify, or we have to make a substitution as a t. So here I have to take t, here also I have to take t. So here there are two methods. One is by taking as a t and simplify, and one more by writing directly. If you write directly also same answer we get. If I take t also same answer, because it's just a simple function x plus 4. So if I take t, here it becomes t by root t. So t to the power 1, t to the power minus half, t to the power half. So t to the half is what? T to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Here it is 1 by root t. 1 by root t in the sense t to the power minus half. T to the power minus half is t to the power half by half. So same way we are getting. Instead of t we have to again resubstitute. Instead of that we can write directly also. So this will be equal to integral of x plus 4 to the power half, and here it is minus half. It is 1, here it is 1, and here it is x plus 4 to the power half. When I goes to numerator that becomes minus half. So x plus 4 to the power half dx minus 4 into x plus 4 to the power here it is half, goes to numerator is minus half. So this will be equal to x plus 4 to the power half is x plus 4 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 4 into x plus 4 to the power minus half plus 1 is half by half, half by half. So this will be equal to x plus 4 to the power that means when I goes to that goes to numerator 2 by 3 into x plus 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus here 4 when I half goes to numerator that becomes 8 root 8 into root x plus 4 plus I can write x power 4 half as root x. So these are the problems. So along with that there are many problems. So remaining exercise 7.2 you solve the remaining problems. I have not solved fifth one and sixth one, ninth one. You solve yourself that problems. Exercise 7.2 in that 5, 7, 5, 6 and 9. 5, 6 and 9. So these are the problems of integration, and do that homework. Exercise 7.2, 5, 6 and 9th problems. Thank you.